Welcome to another week in my life video. So it is Monday and I'm already over this week. Look, what is this outside? It is snowing. It was way worse a couple hours ago, but it's snowing and I don't understand why. I'm over the snow. I do not feel like being a person today, so I'm just wearing this hoodie from H&M. I have my sweatpants on from Daniel Guzio, and I just have on these Nikes. Also, it's almost 11. My classes usually start at 9:45, but my first class was canceled today. Thank the Lord. So I'm going to my 11:30 right now. Tori's nasty drink.
Nasty drink.
But we're gonna try it.
You're not gonna like it. Tori's nasty drink.
Oh my god, Michael.
No.
Taste it. The daily struggle.
Is this chicken?
Yes.
Okay.
I wish I could just taste everything.
I know, because I don't have a
Always have our lunch together. Aww. So cute. Oh, okay, we're on our break right now, and we went to the M Jewelers, and he cut my chain. How cute is it? And we're just walking right now.
It is
to our
super
class.
cute. It is super
Look how cute Rockefeller Center is for Easter. They got some Easter eggs,
Look at the
a bunny.
I'm doing circles.
I am
That
doing-
bunny has talent.
All done. What a day. I'm back from class right now, and I ordered some things off of Amazon. Okay, I like have an Amazon problem, I know, but I got this for Coachella. This is just a, well, I actually just needed this in general, but this is just a portable battery, and I'm gonna be taking some bomb pics. Okay, I'm gonna be taking some bomb pics at Coachella, so I'm gonna make sure my phone does not die. So this is actually quite heavy though. I didn't expect it to be this heavy. And then I just got a laptop case for whenever I take my laptop places, and also just for school because I bring it to school and I just throw it in my backpack, which is not good. It was like $13, which is pretty good. And then this portable charger was like $20, but it had really good reviews. I didn't want to get a crappy one. So yeah, I'm going to do some homework right now, clean my room a little bit. I don't know if you guys could see my chain earlier, but here's a better like little close-up of it from the M Jewelers. I want to get a bunch of chains and necklaces and layer with them because I think that's so cute. Okay, I need to clean and do. Hey guys, so no classes today, but I'm going out to brunch with my friends, so I'm going to show you guys my outfit. You may have seen this dress before, but this is from Daniel Guzio. It's just like a blazer dress, and then I'm wearing these sunglasses from Windsor, and then my shoes are just my white booties that I wear all the time from Nordstrom, but they're actually the brand Jeffrey Campbell. I am going to go to my friend's house right now because we are doing brunch on the Upper West Side, so I'm going to go to their place right now, and yeah, let's go. We're waiting for the bus right now to go to lunch or brunch at Popet, right? Yeah. Popet. You guys have seen it before. Walking right now to the restaurant, but we got off at the wrong stop. Yeah, we had to go over an avenue, but it's very, oh shit, I almost fell. I always almost fall.
How many times do you have to crop out videos of
oh shit.
almost falling over?
Always. We're here. And their eggs Benedict, they put meatballs underneath.
Literally,
oh
it's
my
the
gosh,
best.
it's so
Nowhere
good.
has it. This is cool, bitch. Okay.
Guys, we have to eat here one day. Yeah. This is such a cute cafe. Very relatable. We are always at Urban. Like, we literally live at Urban Outfitters. I'm back at my apartment now, and I'm making this pasta. I found the recipe online for a one-pan spaghetti meat sauce, and it smells so good, guys. Like, I'll link it down below if you guys are interested. And yeah, just watching Gossip Girl. Oh my gosh, this looks so bomb. Yes. See, this was so easy to make too. But that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed today's. I'm going to eat and do homework, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Okay, why is my mirror so dirty? Anyways, it's Wednesday and I'm running late. Surprise, surprise. Today I'm just wearing my mom made it jacket. This top I'm wearing underneath is from Meshki. I'm wearing some jeans that I thrifted and my Nikes. Both of my necklaces are from the M Jewelers. I'm wearing some hoops and I need to go right now, so we're leaving.
Morning ritual.
What is this? This is...
What do you think I got?
Okay, venti iced coffee with milk.
Non-fat milk.
Oh, good decisions.
I know.
It's raining.
Look at this stupid rain.
Wait, can you even see? It's
like literally it's raining for no reason.
We have our little break right now. We have a little area though we can get shielded in from the rain. Oh, big drop. Oh, thank the Lord.
5 seconds.
Oh, look where we are.
The palace, darling.
XX.
XX.
We are walking out right now to our last class. Quick little stop to Bloomingdale. I'm back from class. This is probably the worst lighting ever to Bloomingdale's, and I have been trying to get this Louis Vuitton mini the Palm Springs mini backpack for the longest time. I put my card information down and the guy told me he would let me know if they got one in because they're really high in demand right now. So the guy was so sweet too. Usually whenever I go to those kind of stores, they kind of just ignore me. If you ever go to Bloomingdale's in Midtown in New York and you go to the Louis Vuitton store, ask for Alex. I am telling you, the sweetest person ever, like, went above and beyond for me. This is a box. I already unwrapped it and everything. I was just so excited. But this is the bag right here. It is so cute. And the other strap I need to put on. You can wear it like this, but then you can also take like one of the straps and put it like over this way so they're connecting like this, and then wear it as a crossbody. Also, I'm not trying to brag at all. I'm just sharing my life with you guys, and this is a week in my life video. So this is something that I purchased and I have been wanting for a very long time. And also I paid for this by myself with my own money. So yes. Okay, I wanted to show you guys that. And then also I have this package right here. So it says Icebox, and what is this? Oh, this is what the inside looks like. There are a pack of, it says chill pills, kind of thing. And then there is this scalp cooling jelly conditioner. So this is what this looks like. I'm trying to get more into hair care. I really want to find a good shampoo and conditioner. And also I want to tell you guys that I'm doing another giveaway with Dote. I'm not sure exactly when it's going to be live. It might be live whenever this video is up. I'll have it on the screen here if it is up. If it's not up, like, I won't put anything here, but it might be up so you guys can follow me on Dote in order to win what I'm giving away. And then also I'm doing little mini Instagram giveaways. They're going to be super random, and I have a bunch of makeup that I never use, and what's the point of me keeping it? Not even makeup, but like hair stuff and just a bunch of stuff I never use, and like what's the point of me keeping it whenever I can give it away to you guys? I'll tell you guys on Instagram in advance, so like let you guys know that there's going to be a giveaway today with the photo that I'm posting, and then within 15 minutes there will be like an emoji that you have to comment, and then I'll tell you guys my Instagram story that day, and then a random person will win that commented that emoji within the first 15 minutes, and I'll like Instagram DM you. So my Instagram is Paige Sikorsky. I'm going to start doing that soon just because I want to give back to you guys. Okay, that was a lot to say. So yeah, I'm going to clean my room now because my room is an absolute mess. So yes, let's do that. Take off my makeup right now with all my products and watch Gossip Girl as I'm doing that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow. It is Thursday and I'm getting ready to go to an event. Still, you know, trying to figure out what to wear, but it's fine. I'll figure it out. So I'm just getting ready right now, and yeah, it's Thursday, so I have no classes. So I'll show you guys what I'm wearing once I figure it out. I'm wearing these red sunglasses. I have no idea where they're from because I randomly got them in the mail one day. I'm wearing these necklaces from the M Jewelers. This top is from Meshki. I thrifted this big jacket from IMGA, and then I'm wearing these platform shoes that I got from Dolls Kill. Excuse that pile of pants. I'm getting rid of all of those, and I'm going to sell them. I'm going to sell these all on my Poshmark, and I'm just waiting for Michael. Why am I not in focus? I was between these sunglasses and my white ones that I always wear, but I was like, I always wear those, so I should wear these ones. As soon as Michael comes, we are leaving, so I'll see you guys at the event. Waiting for the key train.
You?
Get your glasses on. Yes, bitch. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, but it says Winky Lux right there, and that's where we're going.
Chocolate caramel, double chocolate, and mango.
Double chocolate.
And there we go.
Thank you.
Double chocolate.